Detachable keypads must either be folded closed or removed completely and placed in a suitable storage for takeoff or landing. As a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you from the flight against Captain Robert Edward speaking. I'd like to welcome you to British Airways flight Air 1345 on up to London Heathrow. On the flight with me, Senior First Officer Mark Donald, your cabin crew, you're really amazing. They're looking after your safety as well as your company today. They're on board my Aviation and Emma. Working alongside them today is Abby, Jill and Charlotte. Thank you for boarding so quickly. We are just about ready to go, waiting for the